Hola peeps, welcome to our room in the Agua Azul, get the pronunciation, in Benidorm. Hey, we have all-inclusive wristbands and an all-inclusive drinks menu. The room is fab, full-length mirror, places to put stuff, TV with about 300 channels, huge amount of beddage with nice lights. It smells amazing. I can't tell you how nice and clean it smells. We have gonna go with open plan sink area with a strange little stool that you can sit at while you wash yourself, possibly. We have some product, which is nice. We have a lot of shower caps and a comb. Hey, freebies. We have a walk-in shower. There's no door. There could be splashing. But anyway, big shower head. Won't be using that one. I'll get wet hair. Little cute one for people like me. More products. They look quite nice. And, rather interestingly, a lavatory with a glass door. Now, it's all very well and good, but when you put the light on, can you see me? Can you see me through the door? So I guess I'll be weeing with the light off. Because I'm shy. Oh, broken wardrobe. The safe's in there, can't get in, but we'll get that fixed. Just a door. Anyway. Yeah. Balcony. Excellent size. Look how big. Huge. Chairs. Whatever that is. Possibly an upside down ashtray. And we can see people coming in and out. View of the pool. Possibly we'll be able to hear the entertainment tonight without even going downstairs, although we will go downstairs. And the whole of Benidorm is on our doorstep. Good, eh?